August the 8th. Our real songs begin with our sacrifices. We enter the realm of music when we enter the realm of self-surrender. A willing offering on a clean altar introduces the soul into the joy of the Lord. When the burnt offering began, the song of the Lord began also. 2 Chronicles chapter 29 verse 27. O Lord, a clean altar, a willing offering is what you expect. And it is the desire of our hearts. Let us never forget that we enter into your holy presence when we bring an offering.